Hey guys, welcome to Tmobille. I'm Berge. We're going to do a how-to here on replacing the glass on a Samsung Galaxy Note 2. You can see I've already started. I got my guitar pick, I got my heat gun. It's really all I need. It's all I use. So I use one of these temperature gauge heat guns. You can buy these at wildpcs.com. I put the temperature at about 145 to 150 in order to get ample release of that adhesive, so that once I remove the screen, I'm not left having to clean a bunch of adhesive off, which is fine if you do, but I provide enough heat to not overheat it, and this heat gun is perfect for that, and it's enough heat to actually melt the adhesive off. So you can see I'm already a quarter way in. From the top down, okay? You know, the Digitizer cable is up top, so when you're putting the pick in there from the top down, be careful you don't tear the Digitizer cable or the touch cable, and we're going to go ahead and go through this process from beginning to end, including putting on the new glass. Okay, so heat gun, pick, we're going to go ahead and get this done here. So you can see now that I'm pretty generous when it comes to the heat. Now with that said, I don't apply too much heat because I don't want to overdo it, but I do apply enough heat to get this thing taken care of properly. So what I'll do is I'll also leave the heat on the device as I'm picking away at the glass, something I like to do. Alright, now this is a very delicate repair, so you guys want to be careful when you're doing this. Be careful, take your time, don't rush, because if you rush, you're going to find yourself cracking the LCD. You don't want to do that. You want to take your time. You know, I take my time. I don't use any tricks or anything like that. I just take my pick, I pick at it until I get the glass completely removed. So I'm doing this the old-fashioned way, if that's what you want to call it. So. Now you can see when I put the pick in there, I'm not applying too much pressure. I apply just enough pressure to get the adhesive slightly off, and then I'll reheat it and just rinse, repeat cycle, essentially. Okay, so I'm using 145 degrees right now. All right. Now I'm going to go back up top, and I'm going to start from this side right here. Show you guys what the new glass looks like. Okay. Thank you guys for watching Tmobille. We are your source for no-nonsense tech. Got a lot of repair videos, unlocking videos, reviews, comparisons. We got all sorts of content on the channel, so check that out. Don't put too much pressure, guys. Remember that. If you're doing this repair, take your time. Okay? There's really no need to rush because it's the difference between spending a few bucks on glass and spending $150 to $200 on a brand new LCD. We do this repair here at Tmobille Repair. We charge $60 for the Note 2, $50 for the S3, $70 for the S4, and $100 for the Note 3. We also do iPhone glass repairs as well. You'll see a video of that on our channel on a 5C as well as a 5S coming soon. You know, we try to provide the best that we can with these repairs, at least in terms of pricing as well, because there's some places in malls or more, you know, well-known repair shops that'll charge a lot more than what we charge here, but we get a lot of volume. I use the metal pick because, for whatever reason, when I've used a plastic pick, it seems to damage. I mean, I've cracked the LCD using a plastic pick. With a metal pick, knock on wood, I've had all success. But I think it's because it's a little bit more sturdy, so you're not applying as much pressure as you are with, say, the plastic pick. So I'm a fan of the metal pick, but you may find yourself scratching up the LCD with the metal pick. What you could do in relation to that is just lift the pick up as you're pushing into the adhesive. Just lift the pick up so it's actually hitting the glass and not the LCD. See how smoothly the adhesive is just kind of flowing? That's a good amount of heat. And there's still going to be some cleaning once you're done, don't get me wrong. See, I apply a generous amount of heat. I'll lower that to 140 just to be safe here. See how I'm applying the heat as I'm going in there. And there, that's the glass. And what I suggest you do actually is while you're doing this repair, like every so often, you know, put the battery in, test it out, make sure everything's still working, because if it's not, then you could just might as well stop. But put the battery in there. Works fine. Okay. So then we're good. Continue on. Probably should have powered off the phone before I popped the battery out like that, but that's fine. Upping it to 145. I went from 145 to 140 back to 145. As a matter of fact, I could go to 150 here. I still do the whole thing with the heat because you want the entire screen to be almost jelly-like so that you have less probability of cracking the LCD upon doing this repair, which is always a possibility here. Everybody has their own method, but still simply is always a possibility. So be careful, take your time, be patient, guys. So patience, patience is a virtue in this repair. If you guys want to skip it altogether, you can just come to me, to our Los Angeles location, Tmobille. We'll do this repair for you, $60 for the Note 2. We also do all different types of glass repairs as well, and all sorts of LCD, water damage, whatever repair it is you guys are looking for. Aside from our media side, or no-nonsense tech, reviews, comparisons, how-tos, we got all sorts of content. So thank you guys for watching. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Okay, so let's go back down to 145 and 145. I mean, you don't even have to take the phone out of the frame, which is a great thing about this repair. I think it's actually easier not taking it out of the frame, to be honest. I mean, it's never actually easy. I want to take that back, but personally, I've seemed to do this better with the frame on. Again, take your time, guys. Take your time, and gals. You know, if you feel that you're putting too much pressure, then you probably are. Okay? You can see we're gradually going down the grid, as I call it. Okay, we're about a third done. Oh, I'd say we're about half done. Piece of glass just flew in my eye. Yes, goggles are not a bad idea. This is not the cleanest method because you are going to be, cleaning it afterwards. And I usually use this Screen Doctor clean solution. It's really good, works really well. If it's really bad, then I'll use Goo Gone. But with these Samsungs, that Screen Doctor clean solution should be enough. Again, the reason why I do it like this and I don't take the fast route is because I like to be careful with this repair. It's a very delicate repair. Anybody who's done it knows that it's a delicate repair, and it takes, it's just too easy to damage it. That's the thing. So why not take your time? I know there's some, eventually you get better at it, but if you're going to do this as a one-off, then take your time. There's no need to rush. Anytime you have a new entry point, be very careful. Seriously guys, the entry point is really the easiest way to damage this thing, so take your time. I know a ton of people have been leaving me comments on YouTube, asking me all sorts of questions. I'm sorry if I haven't responded in a prompt fashion, guys. I will get to your questions as soon as I can. If you do have any questions in relation to this repair right here, please do not hesitate to ask. I will respond to you because this is a delicate repair. We definitely don't want to be responsible for you damaging your phone. So if you guys have any questions, if you're weary about doing this, ask me and I'll assist you guys before you get started, okay? See, I'm going slow. putting pressure, constantly reusing the heat. And you can have the center area, and I'll show you guys how to take care of that because it is a large screen. Pick may not fit properly. Okay, so we've cleaned it well. Now we're going to go ahead and apply the tape, double-sided tape around the phone, and we're going to get the screen put on this thing. So the tape that I use personally is the 3mm here. You can see this. You can buy this on eBay or wherever you want on the internet. There's all different types. This one I like because you can cut it to whatever size you'd like. So I personally prefer that. So we're going to go ahead and just cut this piece off here. I'm going to start from the lengthy side because there's a long piece to put here on the note. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that here. Actually, let's just zoom in a little. You guys can get a better angle of this. There we go. Okay. Cut it down to size here. Right. Let's go ahead and place this on the screen, or on the side, excuse me. Okay. See that right there? Okay, now that we got the tape back on there, we're going to go ahead and actually just put the screen on. First we got to take the tape off. Also don't forget the speaker grill, ear speaker grill plus the power button. Oh, sorry, the home button. Confusing myself here. If you see the tape's out of place, that's fine. Don't worry about that right off the bat. You can always just rearrange it, put it back into place. See, like that little piece right there came off. It's fine. Just take your tweezers and put it back into place. place. Move it around until you get it into place. There we go. Showing the home button, same situation. You gotta make sure that it's in place and not overlapping over the tape. Home button, that is. Clean the screen one last time. Now we test it. Now we test it to make sure it works, and we're good. Okay.
Pause it, it's my camera.
Alright, push next. You can see all the touchscreen works. That's it. Home button works. Power button works. Everything's good to go. So there you guys go. Galaxy Note 2 glass repair. If you guys have any questions in relation to this repair, please ask me in the comment section below. Again, remember, it's a delicate repair. Do not rush it. Take your time, and you will succeed. Alright, I am Bears. This is Tmobille. Thank you guys for watching. We are your source for no-nonsense tech, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys. Have a good one.